Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and if you are a Nothing user, this video is for you. As a Nothing user, I absolutely love it. I mean, from the software to the design language to everything. But from the beginning, I was curious about one thing and one thing only. If I can remove the essential button. I mean, don't get me wrong, the feature is great, but it's not something I use all the time. But I would love if I can remap it with my camera, music, or anything. So, Nothing doesn't give you any option to do that, but I have found something. It's not require root permission or any complex coding, but yes, it will need 3 apps to do this simple thing. So in this video, I'll show you how to do it, and let's get started. Okay, so hopefully you have downloaded all of these 3 apps, installed them, and given all the permission it needed. So first of all, let's open up the Hail app, go to apps, and from here, select system. Continue. On the search, write the essential, only essential, and choose this and this, essential space and essential recorder. Then go back. And you will find this too on the home screen. Tap on freeze, done. Then go to Shizuku. Now you have a wireless debugging process by which the Shizuku connects with your device. So let's start with this, allow. It will run a code for you to connect it with the system level integration, and it's connected. Then go to button mapper and give permission to use Shizuku, and yeah, now it's good. Now let's connect add button. I have already done this previously, so let's do it again, and press plus, and then press the essential button. Say it has already got the button, and just press add. Now from here you can customize, and now you can choose what you want on single tap, double tap, and everything with long press and everything. So on single tap I want camera, on the double tap I want calendar, I guess. Let's put the calculator. So now let's try. On single tap it's the camera app, on double tap you have the calculator app, and yeah, pretty much you're done. And from here you can select anything you want. Also all the options needed pro subscription, so I'm using the free one. If you want, you can go with the pro version as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and if you guys have any question about this, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.